in the different member states. And Philip van Parijs said it yesterday. We left it in as a comment. So if it's possible to coordinate financing between the EU and the national member states, of course, we are up for it. But first of all, we want to have it acknowledged. We want to introduce generally basic income based on the 5 criteria that we mentioned. Switzerland serves as an example for us. In April, Switzerland started the referendum, the preparations for a referendum on the introduction of basic income in Switzerland. Next year, they will have the referendum, and then they will decide yes or no. And they deleted the financial aspects, financing. They said, okay, we'll talk about financing in a second step. And this is what we propose in our case as well.
Let me try to answer that question. I was addressed directly on this point. Now, with Switzerland, I agree with Klaus Samba here. I think it is right for Switzerland not to focus on the question of the funding, but the idea behind it is what they should focus on. I think that's the right way for us to go as well. It would be wrong for us to focus on funding. I could talk to you for 30 minutes on that, but I don't think I need to. We have to be very careful here. I don't know how to put it. I think that working together in a friendly manner, if you really want to achieve something, if you want to change something, then of course you have to say what you think, even to your friends, if they're wrong. And let me put it this way, just to say, based on what was just said, as a proposal from yesterday, but amongst ourselves as well, I would like to contradict very clearly what Klaus has said, because it's not right. If you say it's been looked into legally, but in Vienna, I made a presentation on that point and said that these legal points do not suffice, because for everything that you have listed, if you read on, you will read that that is not the case. You referred to the Charter of Basic Rights, and you said that they are not right, because this is what they say. But what does it say? Let's take Article 34. It says in every paragraph, it says, in accordance with the union law and the regulations and